guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and I'm the creator of Color Me Crazy, where I customize wigs and bundles. And today is going to be a quick video for y'all, just how to install your wig, well, how I install my wig. I may not do it like everybody else. I'm not gonna claim I am a professional. I am not Tay on the wigs, but I just want to show y'all how I install my wigs. I feel like I do pretty good to get by, okay? It be looking like it coming from the scalp. I don't know what y'all think. You see this nice natural plucked part, like the swoop. Like I be doing my thing to not be a professional, okay? Because I don't be wanting to spend like $100 to $200 for them to do this. Like, and sometimes girls be spending that much and it still be looking a mess. But yeah, I just want to show y'all a safer, cost-efficient, and quick way to put your wig on every day, okay? Yeah, go ahead and sit back and relax, y'all. Peace. Hey again, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope the tutorial helped y'all a little bit so y'all can do it on your own. Don't forget to like, show some love, comment below, let me know what y'all think, any ideas you want to see in terms of hair, like any colors, styles y'all want to see. Drop them ideas below in the comment section, and also subscribe if you have not already so you don't miss out on the many more great videos that I post for y'all. Also, I have my social media down below as well. My personal Instagram page if you want to follow me, and my hair Instagram page if you want to look at my other creations, and also take a look at my booking site if you want to book me to do your own customizations on your wigs or bundles. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Deuces.